three main areas of the main interface of Live Movie Maker. First, we've got the ribbon band. The ribbon band is this part up here with all the functions and features you need to use for video editing. Secondly, you have the monitor. The monitor is this part here. The monitor is where you watch the result of what you're doing, what you're editing. You can change the size of the monitor here by dragging that line to the left or right. And third and finally, you've got a section, the collection, where everything, all the material you want to use is collected and arranged. That's all in here. There is no timeline anymore as we had with older Movie Maker versions. Everything is done in the collection. Before you edit, you need to import your material. Importing is easy for photos and videos. You can either click here or here. Select the image or video you want. By using Shift, you can import more than one at the same time. If you want some music, just go to Add Music. Choose the file you want. And here you go. I've imported a range of photos and videos. You can see that the thumbnails are different. The video clips have a film strip. If you want to change the order, that's quite easy. All is done through drag and drop. So you just click on the image you want and drop it where you want it. This at the beginning, this at the end. The same with the video clips, wherever you want it. If you change the zoom down here, you actually see that the thumbnails change and the videos become longer according to their length. The photos will stay the same. This can be changed. If you want to change the duration of the photos, click on the photo and here you've got a pull down. Choose the length you want, or you can also directly type in the length. If you want to change the length of the video, click on it once and you have to enter the trim tool. Click once and you have to change start and end, either doing that down here, or you can also again type in here beginning and end. Movie Maker has visual effects and animations. Visual effects means effects which change the video clip. So if I go to the visual effects tab, I've got lots of things here. If I click on the bottom, I have even more. Just choose and try out what you like. You see it straight away. If you want to go back to beginning and reset, just go back to the top left to the blank square and it's all reset. Animations refer to how you go from one video clip or one photo to another one. It's like a transition. You have a range of transitions and wipes here. If you go in here, you have wipes, reveals, sweeps, lots of different things. And you've got different pans and zooms in this section. Again, different options there. If you click on it, you always see a first preview. There are different title options. You can find them all in the Home tab on the ribbon band. Title would be the main title you can create. It by default comes with a uniform color background, and now you can just put in what you like. This is just like word processing. You can change the font, you can change the size, you can make it left or right, and you can also change the background color. What you also can do, you can shift the whole title so it is over your actual video track or photo still image. You can take this out again. Captions are used for subtitles. This is very good for language projects. Just type in what you want and it's again comes with all the features in terms of size, color, transparency, background and transition. Finally, we go back to Home. We have credits. Just type in what you want and it would roll up as we've used to from big films. A couple of things about music. Let's go back to Home, Add Music. We bring in a track and it automatically goes on top of the whole thing. You can drag and drop the music so it can start later. Also, if you go to Music Tools, that top tab, you can precisely put in a start time, start point, duration. You can also, if you click on music volume, make the whole music a bit quieter. This is nice if you want to keep the original sound of your video clips. Movie Maker offers you two options. On the one hand, we've got the share section and the save movie section. The share section means that you need to create an account with Windows Live, and then you can directly do that. We normally prefer the save movie section, and there's different options there again. Recommended for this project, the top one is normally working very well. Other options can create smaller files. Some of them are old-fashioned. You can also, if you know about video compression, create your own custom setting, but this is a bit more complicated. So let's use save movie, recommended for this project. Give it a name, tell it where to store it so you can find it again. And now it will take some time, the rendering time, to make a movie. Once it's finished, double check, make sure it's fine and you're happy with it, and then you can share it online.